Do you still think entrepreneurship is a territory owned by men? Well, you will change your mind after listening about some of these awe-inspiring, strong, and wealthiest Black female entrepreneurs in the world. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will fill you in about the 7 affluent and most famous Black female entrepreneurs. These women have carved their own way towards success despite the obstacles and made their mark across the world. As the US Census Bureau reports, the number of businesses owned by Black women has increased impressively to 67% between 2007 and 2012. This rapid growth is owed to some of the most incredible Black women who have been able to break through glass ceilings despite all the racial and gender discrimination in the world. So, stay with us till the very end. You are about to get inspired. Ranked here are the world's top 7 inspiring Black female entrepreneurs. Number 7. Tracy Reese. She first came into the spotlight when Michelle Obama gave her beautifully bold designs a serious and honest review. Not only that, Obama himself wore a teal dress fashioned by Tracy at the 2012 Democratic Convention. I mean, the president is walking in a suit designed by you. What else could you want, right? But the young Tracy never wished for fame when she used to enjoy sewing clothes alongside with her mother, who was a seamstress. In 1977, she launched her brand under the name Tracy Reese. Soon after that, her unique designs received rave reviews, leading to her success. Her net worth is estimated to be $5.5 million in 2012. Number 6. Rosalind Brewer. Rosalind G. Brewer is an African-American businesswoman who does not know failure when it comes to business. Back in 2017, she was appointed as the Chief Operating Officer and Group President of the famous coffeehouse chain Starbucks. With that, she became the first Black woman to hold the position. And we are not finished yet. You must be awed to know that this lady has the whole list of onlys to her name, starting from being the only Black female CEO of the Fortune 100 company. She has also remained the CEO of Sam's Club, a division of the well-known superstore Walmart, making history as the first woman of color to sit in the powerful position. In addition to that, Brewer has also joined Amazon's board as the second Black woman to hold the seat. Presently, she is the CEO of Walgreens and chairman of Spelman College. Her incredible legacy has led her to be ranked at number 34 in Forbes' ranking of the most powerful women with a net worth of $11.5 million. On number 5 of our list is the woman who has built a billion-dollar enterprise from scratch. We are talking about Janice Bryan Howroyd, an entrepreneur, mentor, author, and businesswoman. She is the first Black woman to own and lead a $1 billion company. And guess what? She started this billion-dollar empire working out of a small home office in Beverly Hills. And that too in 1978, when the term female entrepreneurs was unheard of. So next time racism or sexism holds you back from achieving something, remember Howroyd proudly saying in an interview, "Not once did I ever doubt my ability to learn, do, achieve, and succeed." Even though she grew up in a segregated southern region, where genderism and racism were so common, she crushed all the stereotypes and kept moving ahead. Her company, Act One Group, an agency that provides business and consultation services, is now considered one of the biggest staffing firms around the world. She currently has a net worth of $285 million. More power to her. Number 4. Cathy Hughes. Cathy Hughes isn't just a household name, but a brand that founded Urban One Incorporated, formerly known as Radio One. 70-year-old Hughes is the first African-American woman to run a media company. Her net worth is estimated to be $460 million. Despite all the stereotypes thrown her way, she stood her ground. During a public speaking session, Hughes gave a piece of timeless advice to all the young upcoming entrepreneurs. She told the audience that if you approach your goal with commitment and integrity, lenders will invest in you, even when they think your idea is not worth it. Number 3. Sheila Crump Johnson. Sheila Johnson is a success story for ageist. Philanthropist and a successful entrepreneur, Johnson has co-founded the Black Entertainment TV Network, the first television franchise dedicated solely to African American entertainment. In 2001, Sheila Johnson, along with her ex-husband, sold BET to Viacom in an all-stock deal. She is also the only African-American woman who enjoys ownership of not one, but 3 sports teams: the NBA Washington Wizards, the WNBA Washington Mystics, and the NHL's Washington Capitals. Miss Johnson also runs a vast portfolio of luxury properties. Woodlands Inn, owned by Johnson, comes under the list of handfuls of luxury properties that received a Forbes 5-star and also a AAA 5-diamond rating for exquisite dining and lodging. She has a net worth of $770 million according to Forbes. On number 2 of our list, you will meet the woman who is literally rolling in billions. Folorunshio Alakija is a self-made billionaire, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. She had several acclaimed business ventures, such as Digital Reality Print, where she is positioned as a vice chairman, Famfa Oil Limited, where she holds the vice president's seat, and Dayspring Property Development Company Limited. She is a living, breathing example of crushed misogyny and crumpled racism. Forbes has ranked Alakija as the richest woman in Nigeria with approximate net worth of $1 billion. She has also been listed as the 2nd most powerful woman in Africa and the 87th most influential woman in the world by Forbes. Number 1 on our list is Jessica O. Matthews, founder and CEO of Uncharted Power, a company that produces power-generating toys. She came up with this incredible idea when she was an undergraduate at Harvard. She says that she was at her aunt's wedding in Nigeria when the idea popped into her head. In Nigeria, where power shortages is a common issue, diesel generators are used almost daily. Matthews said that the fumes from the generator bothered her. Therefore, she came up with the idea of inventing Socket, a soccer ball that could be used as an energy source. How cool is that? We estimate her net worth to be $2.3 billion as of 2021. That is all for today, folks. We will see you soon with another inspiring and motivating video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also press the bell icon so you get all the latest notifications from our channel. Do let us know in the comment section who you think is the most inspiring woman out of these.